Sylph is the first portable smart hairdryer to protect your hair from damaging with a stylish looking. The dolphin-like design makes Sylph easy to hold. To use the lightest hairdryer in the world, you will never feel tired. Sylph could produce super powerful airflow to fast dry your hair. Therefore, it eliminates the motor noise. All you can hear is the wind. Sylph is compact to carry in your handbag easily, so you can style at any time to keep you elegant and beautiful during the whole day. In office, sometimes you may not be satisfied with your modeling. The design of magnetic nozzle makes the styling much easier. The infinitely variable speed function also allows you free to control airspeed precisely. If your hair become messy, the high-voltage ionic module of Sylph could fully neutralize the static of hair, make your hair smooth, shiny, and fluffy. Regular hairdryer could cause permanent damage of overheating. Sylph has a remarkable temperature-controlled system, sampling at 50 times per second to a constant air temperature. In addition, the smart mode of Sylph could automatically adjust the temperature according to the preset algorithm, which helps you to fast dry your hair naturally. Sylph, shine your life.
In order to make Sylph smaller and smarter, we have done quite a lot of technical innovations and improvements. The brushless DC motor of the new design has 16 times more energy density. The design of the fan and air duct was based on FEA, and we use composite material. Together, they make Sylph a small hairdryer with high wind power. Our high-precision sensor with powerful processor enable to collect data of wind temperature and 50 Hz, making Sylph suitable for any environment. Your hair will not be harmed by the heat, even if the outline was placed very close to the hair. Sylph is a revolutionary intelligent hairdryer.
Sylph is a newborn generation of hairdryers. She's light, small, smart, and powerful. We believe that Sylph will be a better helper in managing your hair styling, and we truly appreciate your support to us. With their help, we could continuously develop better products to change our daily life, making styling easier than ever.